You love fried rice, right? That perfect comfort food? But what if I told you that every single spoonful is doing something inside your body that you can't see? In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you 3 hidden side effects happening right now in your stomach, your blood, and your brain. Stay with me, because number 3 will shock you. The moment fried rice enters your stomach, your body breaks it down fast. White rice is a refined carbohydrate, and it floods your bloodstream with sugar in just 15 to 20 minutes. Your blood glucose level spikes rapidly, your pancreas panics, and releases a massive amount of insulin to control it. But here's the problem. 30 to 40 minutes later, your blood sugar crashes hard. That's why you feel tired, foggy, and hungry again so quickly. This roller coaster damages your energy levels all day long. Now let's talk about salt. 1 plate of restaurant fried rice contains 800 to 1200 milligrams of sodium. That's more than half your daily limit in one meal. When this much salt enters your bloodstream, your body holds on to extra water to dilute it. Within 2 to 4 hours, you feel bloated. Your fingers swell. Your stomach expands. Your heart works harder to pump thicker blood. If you eat fried rice regularly, this constant sodium overload increases your risk of high blood pressure and puts serious stress on your kidneys. Here's the shocking part. Fried rice is cooked in heavy oil, usually 2 to 4 tablespoons per serving. This oil sits in your stomach and slows down digestion. Your stomach produces extra acid to break it down, causing acid reflux, heartburn, and that uncomfortable, heavy feeling. Plus, many restaurants add MSG for flavor. If you're sensitive, MSG triggers headaches, sweating, chest tightness, and nausea within 20 minutes. Your gut bacteria also struggle to process all that oil and sodium, leading to gas, cramping, and irregular bowel movements the next day. So what should you do? I'm not saying never eat fried rice again, but now you know what's happening inside. Choose brown rice instead of white. Ask for less oil and no MSG. Eat smaller portions, and balance it with vegetables and protein. Your body will thank you. If you want to see what fried rice actually does to your organs in real time, check the description below for the full visual breakdown. Take care of your body. It's the only one you've got.